Okay, everybody, so I'm going to show you my ball exercise kind of demonstration. Patricia wanted to see it, so hi Patricia, if you're watching. And this is just to go along with my exercise video that I did. And this is kind of what I do. I'm sure some of you guys are probably gonna say, Stace, that ain't proper form, but I do the best that I can. And like I said, I don't do this on a steady routine or regiment or anything. It's just when I feel like it. Excuse me, blah, 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 when I feel like it, and it comes to about 1 or 2 times a week. But I kind of only do it just for like about 5 minutes, 5 or 10 minutes, and it feels really good. It really stretches out the body, and I like keeping the body very slim and slender. The lean bean look. So this really helps stretch things out. But I kind of just like to set the ball on the floor, bring it up, and then stretch out, bring it down. So it's kind of like lifting weights almost, but then it's like a whole body exercise. And then of course at the same time, I like to jam out to the music too. I have the music playing at the same time. Gotta listen to music. You can't do anything without music. But anyways, this is kind of, and then I just kind of do this, and it actually really gets the blood pumping after a while too, and and the heart going just a little bit. And it just feels really, really good. But then I also like to bounce the ball too. So I'll just like stand here and kind of like, bounce the ball. You just have fun with the ball, have fun with the ball. But I'm one who likes repetitiveness too. So I don't mind repeating the same thing over and 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 over. Okay, so that's kind of what I do with the ball there, okay guys? Also, like I mentioned in my exercise video, is what I like to do now, instead of the running and everything that I used to do, is I love to go walking. And like I mentioned, I'm always walking and standing throughout the day. Just remember, the worst thing to do for your body is sit. That's the worst thing you do for your body. It really hurts your body. Don't stay scrunched up all the time. Stay nice and lengthy and stretched out in good posture all the time throughout the day. And just generally walking keeps the body in movement, gentle movement, and it does strengthen it also. So for me, I really most certainly like to go for nice long walks. But also, like I mentioned, is when I'm going to the grocery store or any store that I go to, I always park in the farthest away in the parking lot and deliberately do that so I can get my walking in. Yes, I'm up here in Fairbanks, Alaska, guys, so it gets super cold. So even in the winter time, when it's 20 below, 30 below, 40 below, 50 below, it's hard to endure that hard, cold, like flash freeze. But you know what? I am not parking close to the building. I'm getting my walk in. I've done that my whole life living up here, and plus you avoid all the traffic and other people, and you can easily get in and out of the parking lot too. So yeah, because up here in Alaska, a lot of people have big trucks. You need a truck up here, and so that means you have these tight spaces in these huge trucks, and there's no such thing as lines on the road or roadways up here. So it's nice to park in the back so you can easily get out and about, in and out, and just avoid the traffic and avoid everybody. So that makes it easy and less stressful on you, hence helping your health right there. And then another thing is the sauna. Like I mentioned, you guys, I really highly recommend the sauna. And or just generally hot baths at home. And that's what I did last night. Is I took a nice hot bath because yesterday we actually just came out of 30 below. It was minus 30 Fahrenheit. We go by Fahrenheit up here in Fairbanks, Alaska. So a lot of you guys tend to go by Celsius, but I go by Fahrenheit. So it was minus 30 Fahrenheit yesterday, below zero. And I was outside most of the day for work and everything, in and out. And I needed a hot bath. And so it was a nice way to just really warm up and just relax, but also just go for a nice sweat. So and I did that long enough to where I felt the drips falling down, and it feels really, really good. And so that's what I did yesterday. So that's part of my exercise routine, if you can say that's exercise. So that's what I do there, guys. Hopefully this video helped you guys in some way. That's just what I do now. It's very easy and gentle on the body now. I'm so happy I do this now. Avoid all injuries if possible, so you can live your life injury-free, stress-free, and still be strong and healthy in your body and everything. Okay, guys? So remember to love being raw. Put a big old smile on your face today. I hope I did that for you guys, and I'll see you guys next video, okay? Bye, guys.